Good morning, second graders. Happy Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Today, I would like you to start off by reading to yourself Half Chicken, or to a parent, a sibling, a pet, or a stuffed animal to build up your fluency. The more we read, the better readers we become and the more fluent we become. And then I would like you to open your Journeys book to page 334 and discuss those essential questions with somebody. If no one is around to discuss them with you, you can pick a stuffed animal or you can write them in your writing journal. After you finish that, I'd like you to click on the BrainPop Junior link, sending a letter. The password or the username is 112CHN and the password is star. And then in your PLP, there should be an envelope with Miss Larson's address on it. I'd like you to write a letter and write a letter to Miss Larson and put it into your mailbox. And then wait a week or two for a letter to arrive to you from Miss Larson in your mailbox. If you have misplaced that envelope with her address on it, reach out to us and we will send you her address again. I want you to remember when you're writing a letter, I want you to include the 5 parts of letter writing. So you should have the date in the upper corner, April 13th, 2020. Then you should have Dear Miss Larson, and then your message. What do you want to tell her? Tell her what you're doing and maybe ask her some questions. And then you need your closing, love from sincerely with another comma, and then your name. Don't forget to sign your name so she knows who it's coming from. All right. So make sure you get that into your mailbox so you can look for a special message in your mailbox pretty soon. Then I would like you to do a house chore around your house. I want you to go ask your mom or dad what you could do to help out around the house. And whatever chore they ask you to do, you have to complete as part of your jobs for today. So they might ask you to clean your room. So without fighting or arguing with them, I would like you to clean your room. They might ask you to pick up your toy room. So make sure you do that. They might ask you to help clean the kitchen or unload the dishwasher. But I'd like you to check in with your mom or dad and ask them what you can do to help them around the house. After that, or at some time today, I'd like you to make sure you read to self for 30 minutes. Your optional tasks today, if you're still looking for other work to do, you can log into your Raz Kids, read a book, and take the comprehension quiz. You can record yourself reading a book on Seesaw for Mrs. Meddert and Miss Larson to see. And then you can also open up your IXL, multiple meaning words with pictures, and complete that IXL if you would like to. As always, let me know if you have any questions or need any help with anything. Have a great day.